Umenterang ba kejela ke Meghalaya konrat ke sang ma mentagsi ke arpundre teruk ujeleu arjar arpundreu ulelet ha ke jingilang jong ke International Conference on Women Farmers and Sustainable Organic Agriculture kabala long ha State Convention Hall Shillong. Ya ke te ke jingilang kabala penyai da ketenat agriculture but farmers welfare Sarkar Meghalaya ha ke jingetrelang wat ke iForm Organics Asia kania ke jingilang kaladon kinong shimentan na kiriu paukmat na kari India bat syabar kari India Kentop ya kinong mi kemat naga kenhon bala tip kum ka KFW bat iForm rengkat kinong tau polisi rio syampang bat kinong yo cunguntoy kibadai na kerep tenrai kelam dawai. Haba keren sepang ni kejinglang mentiran ba konrat kia sang ma ula banjur ba kejing terishtom ke sorkar ban kentiu bat ban pelong ni kong ya kinong rep halor bat kirukam rep ki benek. Ula penpau bahak kini ki prasnem ki bala dep ke sorkar jela kala terishtom na kebenta ban pynkhlian ya kerep keriang da kebabu ya kinong rep kam tem a ya ki kentai hapdang ketong ke jingroi jingpar jongka ukon raul ong ru bakalong ka kabuksian na kebenta ki kentai ki beyo ya kabha ne kebenta jongki ya ki jaka ki jaka rep namar bala yo benta da ka kentai ha kene ka ajak kmie ha ke jela Meghalaya pol ong bakane kalau pelong ya ki bikin long trahi ya ki jakas bat sumar ya ke jaka rep bat penkit kia ya kam ha ka bakila ban rep ban reang ru Ulang ruba kini kusa kila benlong kum kinong muna bakor do naga benta ka ain rep jong ke pertai kam tam haban pensong tho ya ke jing ade hapdang ke jing long trai ya ke jaka ke jing mi bat ke jing pendek pensa ya ke khyndew.
At the very outset, I would like to thank iForm and the Department of Agriculture and all the stakeholders who have made this program a possibility. For us as a government, our journey started 8 years back. And continuously for the last 8 years, we have been moving forward, stumbling once in a while, getting up again, picking up the pieces, having a course correction, and again moving forward. And in all of these different situations, the only one thing that has been constant for us is that whatever we do, it must be for the benefit of our people. Whatever actions we take, we must keep our farmers right in front of us, our youth right in front of us, our women and other stakeholders right in front of us. And take decisions and actions based on what is good for them. And that is the reason why our focus never shifts. And our actions, of course, may differ because of situations, but we move forward because of this one focus that we have in our mind. And I must say that this entire program of having the women's farmer and women farmers and sustainable organic agriculture program right here in Meghalaya and in Shillong is maybe one of the most appropriate programs that we can have. I was just speaking to Karen and sharing with her a point that you all have already understood. That Meghalaya is a matrilineal society. But what makes things more special, especially when you connect farming and the aspect of sustainability and organic farming to our matrilineal system, you actually end up unlocking something really magical. And you will understand this when you go or if you go to the farms. Because our women are the custodians of our land. When they grow something on that farm, there is a certain level of pride, a certain level of ownership, a level of passion that you can't experience or cannot explain just in terms of words. You can only see it in their eyes. It's because whatever they do, they realize that this is mine. That ownership that they have, and that emotion you will see in their eyes when they are planting, is the sustainability that we're talking about. That passion, that ownership creates that sustainability at a level that you can't imagine. And I was just sharing with Karen that maybe somebody should do a study and see how farming outputs, because of policies and programs, how are they more effective in matrilineal systems compared to, say, non-matrilineal systems. To see that if a woman owns the farm, is there an additional growth in the entire productivity? Or is there ease in which we are able to implement policies because the ownership is there by women? I think it would be an amazing story and amazing research that will really help design policies and maybe contribute. Meghalaya's maybe greatest contribution that we can make to policy at a global level could be practice that we've had for centuries and generations of just simply looking at the connect between ownership of the land, sustainability, productivity, and keeping the women right in front of what we are doing. So this is why I feel strongly that this particular program and this particular conference is of great importance and interest, and as I said, a perfect timing as to what we as a state are doing or were doing, plan to do in the future, and the vision that we have kept in front of us.